TVS Motor forayed into EV market with the scooter TVS iQube electric. TVS Motor has forayed into electric vehicles market with TVS iQube electric. Designed with high-tech features, the TVS iQube electric delivers a range of 75 km under eco mode, providing a top speed of 78 kmph. It is equipped with next-gen SmartXonnect technology and powered by 3 Li-ion battery packs and a silent motor to keep you connected on the go. Volvo installs air purifying devices in school buses with #BreatheFree as a part of its #BreatheFree initiative. Volvo Cars collaborated with Persapien to create and install a device in school buses which would reduce the PM2.5, turning it into moving air purifiers. Aiming to help create a sustainable future, Volvo mobilized school buses as a symbol of children being the agents of change and future leaders. Tesla value overtakes Volkswagen, which sold 30 times more cars last year. Tesla on Wednesday overtook Volkswagen Group as the world's second most valuable carmaker with a market value of $106 billion, $7 billion more than its German rival. Volkswagen delivered almost 11 million vehicles last year, 30 times more than Tesla's 367,500 cars. The Elon Musk-led carmaker trails only Japan's Toyota, which is valued at around $200 billion.